What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you in this video how I make money with affiliate marketing. So as you may know, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and when someone buys from our affiliate links, we can make a commission, but we need to do affiliate marketing the right way so we can succeed. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step method that I'm using to make commissions. So check this out. Basically, I promote high-ticket products. Although when I started, I was doing regular affiliate marketing. So what is the difference between regular affiliate marketing and high ticket? It's simple. When we promote high ticket products, we can make more commissions. And that is why I promote right now high ticket products such as Freedom Accelerator. This is a high ticket training. And I promote as well Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is a well-known high ticket affiliate marketing product in the make money online space. So let me check if I have some comments, and we are ready to go. So I'm going to show you in this video the system that I'm utilizing to make commissions. That is called the automated sales system or a sales funnel. So what is that? A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. So basically, the sales funnel has some components. The first component is the opt-in page, and I'm going to show you the opt-in page that I have been using to collect emails. So this is a real simple page that I'm driving traffic to this page. So when people read this title and they read, hey, free ebook download. So I'm giving away a free ebook in exchange for the email. That is called a lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. So people are not going to put their information just because you are telling them, hey, put your email and I'm going to send you updates, or put your email and I'm going to send you, for example, discounts. No, you need to give something right away, and that could be a free ebook, a free course, a free program, a free software. In this case, for this landing page, I'm giving away a free ebook that I didn't create. Jonathan Montoya created this ebook for his affiliates, and I'm giving away the ebook 7 Steps to Becoming a Super Affiliate. And as you can see in the screen, I have a picture of the ebook. I have information and my photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this. I'm promoting this product that is the 72-hour challenge, because it's important if you want to start your own affiliate marketing business and build this business for the long term. It's important to build your own personal brand so people can know, like, and trust you. So then when people put their information here, their name, their email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. The second step is that they will get access to this page. Check your email for ebook. So basically, I'm telling all the people who opt in their information, I'm telling in this page, hey, check your email because I'm going to send the ebook through email. And then when they click this button, just show me how, they will get access to the bridge page. So this page is important because this page is bridging the gap between the company and the buyer. And I'm going to show it to you right now. I have recorded a simple video inside of this page in which I tell people, hey, these are the next steps you need to do in order to learn the skills on how to make money with affiliate marketing. I tell them something about my own story when I started to promote high-ticket products and how it went for me. So what are the things that I did to make my first high-ticket affiliate marketing commission? Those are the things that I tell people with this video. And if people click this button, get started today, they will be clicking exactly my affiliate link, which is this link, the 72-hour challenge. So This is my affiliate dashboard for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. So basically, we promote a high-ticket product through a challenge or a webinar. So we can promote Freedom Accelerator through this challenge, the 72-hour challenge, or we can utilize a webinar to promote the high-ticket product. But talking about my experience, for me, I have more results, I have more commissions by utilizing the 72-hour challenge. And if I go to payouts, you can see these are my latest payments. So these are not crazy results, right? But these are my real results. I have been making commissions with this program every single month. $77, $75, $109, and as you can see, $135, and so on and so forth. So it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing, but you need to set up this system, because basically this system is working 24/7. So I can record a piece of content, a video for my YouTube channel, and that video is going to reach more people if I keep creating content. And some people are going to resonate with my own story, that they are going to resonate with the things that I'm talking in my videos. And also they are going to get value, because here in these videos I'm exactly telling you what I'm doing in my affiliate marketing business. And one thing you need to know if you want to succeed, and I'm going to talk super straightforward right now, is that you need to be persistent on creating content, because there are only two ways to drive traffic to your automated sales system or affiliate links. The two types of traffic: free traffic strategies by creating content, or paying ads. That's it. Now, you can utilize, for example, YouTube Shorts. You can use TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or you can create YouTube videos, or you can do live videos like this one. Now, some people are not going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to collect emails. So check this out. This is my Get Response account, and I'm going to click on automation, because I'm going to show you the nurturing sequence that I have built. So all the people who opting in their information, they will start receiving emails. And I have 127 people going through this email sequence. So what is this? So when someone opting in their information, Get Response, which is the software that you are seeing right now, is going to start sending all these emails. So check this out. It's going to send, when someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, is going to send these two emails: my own story and free affiliate marketing training. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the free affiliate marketing training number 2. It's going to wait for another day to send another email, and so on and so forth. I have wrote all these emails, and people are going to find, for example, inside of these emails, people are going to find the links of my YouTube videos, because I'm growing my YouTube channel with this strategy. Then I started to promote here supporting offers. So basically, when we are building a high-ticket affiliate marketing business, we need to find the main core offer, and that it could be, and it's better to be a high-ticket product. Once you have chosen that product, you need to go to the marketplaces and find supporting offers. So, because I'm teaching people how to build an affiliate marketing business, and I use this software. The name is TubeBuddy. I use this software to do keyword search, so I'm promoting as well, because I use this tool in my business every single day. And by utilizing this tool, it helping me to grow my YouTube channel. Then I started to promote the 72-hour challenge. Check this out: Secrets of Success. This is a mindset training. Then I send a value email. So this email doesn't have any links whatsoever, so this email only has valuable information, and so on and so forth. Get Response is going to send all these emails to my email list, and I'm promoting here Legendary Marketer. This is another high-ticket product. Then I send a value email, and as you can see, this is my nurturing sequence, and I need to add more emails to this sequence. So right now, that is why I put here wait for 100 days, because I'm going to keep adding more emails to give more information to my email list and to promote supporting offers that is going to help these people to go from a point A to a point B. Now, I'm going to show you a system that Jonathan Montoya has created for anyone who don't know how to do this tech stuff, because as you can see, this requires time and effort. So building the opt-in page, you need a lead magnet. The lead magnet is the gift that you are giving away in exchange for the email. In this case is the ebook, but you can give away a free course, a free training, a free software. You need to build these pages, and then you need to write all the emails. You need to go to the marketplace and find supporting offers to help your email list. So as you can see, this requires work. That is why Jonathan Montoya created a 7 figures done for your affiliate marketing business, which is his own system. You can clone his 7-figure affiliate business with this software by utilizing this software, funnelfreedom.io. And the magic of this software is this page, and I'm going to show you right now. Funnel Freedom. I click here, Funnel Freedom, and then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings. And here I have all my affiliate links for all of these products. So check this out. The 70-hour challenge, I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator. I'm promoting Funnel Freedom, which is the software that you are seeing right now. I'm promoting Secret of Success. System.io is a funnel builder. I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. Get Response, Udemy, InVideo, TubeBuddy, Visla, and I'm promoting all of these products by just copying and pasting my affiliate links inside of that page. And then the next step is to click on Update Affiliate Links and then start sending traffic to the funnel that is in funnelfreedom.io, which is this one. These are the steps. So the first step is the opt-in page, which it's exactly the same as ClickFunnels, right? So the opt-in page that is helping me to collect emails, and then they will go to the bridge page, in which I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, and I giving away a free course that I didn't have to create. Jonathan Montoya created this course for his affiliates. So we can give away this free course in exchange for the emails. And the course has 7 lessons. So let me show you. If you want to get access to this course, guys, you can click the first link in the description. It's totally free. You don't need to pay for anything. You can learn all of this knowledge. For example, the best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. But I highly recommend to you that go to lesson number 5 on how to build your high-ticket affiliate system for free, because Jonathan teaches in this lesson how to build a high-ticket affiliate marketing system by utilizing System.io, which is a software that you can utilize to build your own opt-in page. You can build your own nurturing sequence, the email sequence, so you can start collecting emails and build your own automated sales system that is going to work 24/7. So you can scroll down and click this button, get your free System.io account, and you can copy Jonathan Montoya's opt-in page here for the lead magnet and copy the email sequence, Jonathan Montoya's email sequence. You can click here. So, and that's it, guys. This is how I'm making commissions. So I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge. I'm driving traffic to my own automated sales system. So, and I have a lot of sales funnels. So check this out. Here inside, I have been utilizing ClickFunnels for a while, and this is a great software. So I have all of these funnels. So check this out. For the 5-second silent method, this is for 72-hour challenge. This is to promote a Spanish product. This is another funnel. This is for my TikTok account, and as you can see, I'm utilizing as well this funnel to collect emails. And basically that is how I'm making commissions. I have this automated sales system that works 24/7, and I create content explaining people what I'm doing. And if you want to get access to the free course, you can click the first link in the description so you can learn how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business basically for free without paying anything. Now, I'm going to talk about something here right now because yeah, you can start high-ticket affiliate marketing for free. That's the truth. But you need to be consistent in creating content, because if you don't have that consistency, it's going to be hard to start making commission. When I started in 2017, it took me 1 year uploading 1 video per day to get my first affiliate marketing commission. And I made that commission in 2018, guys. So you need to be persistent at creating content. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon, and God bless.